So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to refresh your curls in the morning. I did a style on my hair yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys how I would refresh my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. So for my first step, I'm going to grab my mister and just mist my hair. If your hair is long enough, you can just shake it. So if you guys watched my most recent video, you guys would know that I used this curl cream. I'm gonna be using this right now. I'm gonna use about this much. Rub it through. I'm just scrunching it through. Use a tiny bit more. And a little bit more for the back. You can actually already see my curls. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. So now I'm gonna mist my hair again. Yeah, I like the look this is giving me now. So if you guys have seen my most recent video, I'm gonna be using this again. CG oil smells amazing. So now I'm just gonna spray some more water. And just shake your hair. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. But yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.